Here's a really short video on residential wall systems, so you can add this to the same notes that you did for roofs. And here's what we're going to be looking at today. When you're building walls, they're typically constructed from wood, precast concrete, or steel. So those are the three that we'll look at. Wood framed walls are strong, inexpensive, and easy to build. They can be made on-site or pre-assembled and delivered to the building site. And if you've seen a construction site, you may have seen most of them, residential sites, are built with wood. Inside of the wall is built facing the ground, and then it's lifted up and tilted up towards the outside. This one looks like it may have been built off-site and it's dropped into place. So here's another wood framed wall. The cavities are filled with insulation after the wires and the plumbing are installed. So here's some plumbing, here's some wires installed into here, and then it's filled with insulation afterwards. Precast concrete walls can be fabricated in different shapes and forms, so you can make some really unique type residential structures with precast concrete walls. If you don't want to have straight inline walls, if you want to have some curved shapes, a little bit easier to do with precast concrete walls. And then there's also steel framed walls with metal studs. These holes are already pre-drilled into here, and that's for all of the plumbing and electrical lines. Metal studs have some advantages. They're a lot lighter, but some disadvantages is they're not nearly as strong because this is really thin metal, and it's hard to really screw into these if you're hanging cabinets. They might not be as strong. Sustainable walls. Manufacturers who create construction materials and components use ENERGY STAR and LEED criteria during the production process of their products. And this would ensure that builders will select products that will create a sustainable structure. So they can get LEED certification, and that is shows that they are working towards ENERGY STAR or self-sustaining type systems.